Hello! Happy Halloween, everyone! How are you doing today? I'm doing just fine. And I'm here with Mr. J. Tell everyone how you doing, Mr. J.
Woo! I'm doing just fine. Harley and I here had just a fine evening yesterday and kind of wild, kind of crazy, right? No bones broken, right? But yeah, good times, right?
I know, Mr. J, we just had a smashing time. But I just want to show you what I'm wearing for Halloween today. Oh, let me just show you. Oh,
Something like that.
don't fall.
Woo!
Oh, oh.
Be careful, baby.
What is it, Mr. J? You doing okay, Mr. J? Mr. J. Oh. Let me just show you what I'm wearing today.
Oh my God.
Oh, everyone. Oh, prepare. Oh, look at what I'm wearing. Oh, is this a happy Halloween for Holly and Mr. J? What do you think, everyone? Do you like it? Anyway, I gotta go. I got some wicked things I have to do. I'm so sorry, everyone. But you know what? I wish you guys all a happy Halloween. And Mr. J, what do you have to tell everyone for today?
Oh, just don't stay up too late. Harley, she has to get some rest at some point, right, baby? Right?
Oh, you want to have some rest with me, baby?
Oh yeah, right. That's what they're all gonna say.
Oh, Mr. J.